Turmeric milk health benefits. This milk is also known as golden milk, has a lot of health benefits to people of all ages. In fact, this spice is symbol of healing and health. 1. Good detox agent. Turmeric milk detoxifies harmful agents from bloodstream and purifies blood vessels. 2. Removes toxins. Drinking a cup of turmeric milk keeps away all the toxins, free radicals and harmful deposits that are accumulated through food items, drinks, and even through breath. 3. Supports in diabetes control. This milk helps in controlling high blood sugar level count, hence a good news for all diabetic patients to give a try. 4. Arthritis and gout. Due to presence of anti-inflammatory property in turmeric, helps patients suffering with arthritis and gout, relieves the pain in joints, especially leg and hand joints. 5. Skin Protector and Anti-Aging Toner. This milk when consumed regularly keeps your skin beautiful, glowing and prevents degeneration. You can avoid anti-aging creams, toners, serums with this recipe in a matter of few months. 6. Relief from respiratory problems. This wonderful usage prevents from several respiratory problems like asthma, cold, sore throat, cough, etc. 7. Aids digestion. Turmeric milk boosts digestive juices in body and helps functioning of liver and gallbladder, which in turn keeps the digestive process smooth. 8. Keeps away insomnia. If you are suffering with sleep disorders, tension, depression, here is the best solution in a natural way to overcome all such troubles. 9. Pimples and acne treatment. Turmeric milk can keep away pimples and acne away with its good microbial properties. 10. Improves resistance. The antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral properties keeps away from several infections by increasing resistance and immunity in the body. 11. Lessens cramps in periods. During the menstruation time, some women face problems with cramps, a situation where uterine contractions of menstruation lead to severe pain. This milk can mitigate such painful conditions. 12. Relieves from cancer. Some laboratory studies on cancer cells have found that curcumin, a substance found in turmeric, has the ability to kill cancer cells and prevent its growth. It has the best effects on breast cancer, skin cancer, bowel cancer, and stomach cancer cells. 13. Source of calcium. Turmeric is a good source of calcium when taken with milk, improves the bone health. People suffering with low bone density can try this method regularly for a good recovery. 14. Lactating mothers. Mothers who suffer from low production of breast milk to feed infants may try this milk for better breast milk production. How to prepare turmeric milk. Take a glass of milk and pour it into cooking pan and heat it slowly on a low flame. When the milk starts boiling, add a half spoon of turmeric powder to milk and stir it well until the milk mixes well. Now shift the milk to another glass or pan and stir it vice versa to make the milk cool down and be consumed immediately. For enhanced health results, try this one early in the morning and one at bedtime. Please subscribe to our channel. Health Pal. Tons of health tips videos follows. Stay healthy and be happy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.